Alright, Domeless family, welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to look into the past when I was doing research and development into, bringing presses to market and whatnot. And this is one of the presses that I designed so that we could get some more research on what was going on inside. So in this episode we get to see what happens when I break the paper. So here we go. Well guys, there you have it. Time-lapse video of what happens inside the press while it's being pressed. And this one's special because you get to see what it looks like when the paper breaks. So as you can see, I just got finished making another puck right there. So in the next video we'll go ahead and press that, and I'm pretty sure that I didn't break the next one, so we get to see what it actually looks like. Alright guys, stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video.